Hey everyone, last gold day you guys watched that video of George Washington's presidency. In that video they mentioned how two of his cabinet members, Alexander Hamilton, who was in charge of the economy, and Thomas Jefferson, who was the Secretary of State, had to deal with other countries. Those two really started butting heads and arguing over a lot of different things. They were completely opposite basically with everything that they wanted to get done in the government. And that ends up leading to our very first political parties. You had the Federalists and the Democratic Republicans were our first two actual political parties, or what they called political factions. In the video, they also mentioned something that those two argued about pretty heavily, Hamilton and Jefferson, something called the Jay Treaty. The Jay Treaty was something where Jefferson had wanted George Washington to improve their relationship with the French, who had helped us in the American Revolution, if you remember that. And Alexander Hamilton thought it was more important to improve the relationships that we had with Great Britain, the ones that we just got into the war with, or just finished the war with. In the end, George Washington decides to side with Alexander Hamilton, and he sends a guy named John Jay, the leader of the Supreme Court at the time. He sends him over to Great Britain, and he ends up making kind of a peace deal to improve the relationships with Great Britain instead of the French. This is called the Jay Treaty, and this becomes a really big argument between Thomas Jefferson and Alexander Hamilton, and it actually leads to George Washington and Thomas Jefferson really never talking again. They end up becoming, they are not good friends after this. A lot of arguments, and it's the birth of essentially with the political parties that we have today. Today we have the Democrats and the Republicans, but as you see, they are a lot different than what we see today. They kind of have flip-flopped their ideas of how the government and how the country should be run. But yeah, so on Edpuzzle today, there's going to be two videos. Sorry. The first video is going to be Alexander Hamilton and Thomas Jefferson. It's going to go over their argument, what they were kind of arguing about, and the birth of political parties. The second video is going to be a quick run through of what is the Jay Treaty. Now, on your next gold day, then, you're going to have a very short summative on a little bit about George Washington's presidency, Hamilton, Jefferson, their political argument, and the Jay Treaty. All right, I'm going to try to pick the biggest ideas from each of those. All right. Other than that, have a good day, and I will ask me any questions. Send me them on Schoology. We can always chat over on Google Meet or anything like that. Otherwise, have a good one. See you guys later.